everybody, my name's Olivia Gudaniec and this is video number 8 of the Béis Travel Line Review Series. So today we have the Béis Cosmetic Case in black. So it is $58 US for this cosmetic case, and I did get it in black because Revolve didn't have it in beige at the time I wanted it, which was kind of disappointing since it would have matched my luggage, my dot bag, and my weekender bag, but what are you gonna do? The only thing that's really kind of bothering me is that this is the only item that has a scratch on it. It's not major, but it is there. Revolve has excellent customer service. I wrote to them, they got back to me within hours and offered me an additional 10% off. I am coming from Canada, so I didn't want to have to redo the duties, the shipping costs. I didn't want to deal with that, and in addition have to wait another couple weeks and have the possibility of something go wrong. Have you guys ordered anything from Béis or Revolve or Nordstrom, and has anything come damaged for you? If it has, I want to hear about it. It's obviously in a matte color. I think the first generation I saw from all the reviews that I read and researched, it was like a shiny, glossy. I much prefer this. So I guess this is the second generation, which is exciting. I love the wide opening. I love that it comes with a mirror. I watched a ton of reviews before purchasing this, so I kind of knew what to expect other than the damage. So the mirror is lovely. I'm always like scramming with a little one, or I have like a bigger one like from Sephora, but it's still small and I'd still have to like crouch down. So I like that this is bigger. I like that it, I guess, stands up on its own. There you guys. You guys are so pretty. And of course it's got the Béis logo. And I love the little compartment here. Super easy, super handy. It is a little firm and tough to get in, but better to keep it safe than having a mirror break and have bad luck, right? All right, let's go to the bottom of the case. I like that it's pretty sturdy. I mean, the sides not so much, but the front and the back, it keeps it together. Again, it's got the little handle there with the Béis logo. Ooh, I just noticed this. I didn't even notice this earlier. It's got two little pouches. Oh, you got another pouch at the back here. And this is a removable section for brushes. I think it's so handy because I used to store my brushes in little plastic bags. I know. This is a major upgrade. So this thing, extension piece, let's call it, it's got a zipper at the back. It says brushes here, and obviously your brushes go in. Would you like me to fully take it out? There you go. I did leave the packaging on there just for a little longer. I will be testing this out. I just wasn't sure if I was gonna return it or not, but I guess I'm keeping it. So there you go. Magnetized, easy, off, very easy. If you guys have purchased this, I want to hear it. Did you purchase it in the beige? Did you purchase it in the black? They just released lots of color options. Anyways, if you guys have this, let me know. Let me know what color you have it, if it's been handy, if you have any tips or tricks on how to navigate it or make the most out of your products. And stay tuned for my next video